Hi friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. Now here we are going to make another paper airplane, the one at the center. So this is like an airplane series going on, if you may. So yeah, this is the one. Now if done right, this particular airplane can be easily made under 20 seconds. I mean, I'm being liberal here. So the instructions are pretty easy. You have to just partition the paper and fold it, as you can see in the video. There are majorly three folds. So this one fold of the two upper top edges, this is the first fold, and on top of these there will be two more folds, and that's about it. This plane, I would say, goes when you fly it, will cover a lot of more distance than the other kind of paper planes, simply because of the simplicity of its design. I mean, this particular paper plane, as you can see, it's long, so all you have to make sure is that these creases that you're making, they are really nicely pressed down. In my previous video, I got a lot of comments, and thank you so much for watching that, about what kind of a paper I'm using, or if you should glue it or something like that. So just use a lighter paper, like I'm using here 80 GSM. If the paper is thick, then obviously your airplane will get heavier. So as you can see here, if there were no walls, obviously the plane would have gone to a longer distance. But I really enjoy making paper crafts. So if you want more similar videos, please do comment and let us know, so that we can make more such videos for you. In our next video, you will see this particular blue color paper airplane with really nice curves. So please do like, share and subscribe, and watch out for our next video. Bye bye. Stay safe.